So I'm going to be taking you through most of the trades I took this week. So I'm just going to be cutting the videos, like making a particular trade of the trade I took. So basically, apparently this week I took up to like I think four trades, five trades, of which one hit my stop loss and the rest. One hit, three hit my TP, and one hit maybe first TP. Should I call it first TP? And so that's the trade I took this week. One loss, four wins. So here is, as you can see on the screen, there is one of the trades I took for the week, and yeah, this trade was basically perfect, though it tricked me at the time. And at the end it was victorious. So that was it. So if you watched the video I did last week, try and watch it. So I'll be posting the link on or you can just go to my YouTube channel and just see so you can see the video I made, the previous video I made before this particular one. So that in that video I described my view and my focus on this trade. As you can. So let's just dive into the chart. And first of all, I should also make it transparent. I think I sent this trade to my Telegram channel. Yeah, as you can see right here. Sorry, let's just make it as you can see right here. This was the trade before I took it, and now we are here already. We took TP already. This trade played out on Thursday. We took TP on Thursday. So apparently this was a nice trade. So as you can see, we have this place right here. So let's just mark it right here. We have this place and also this place. So I'll just switch it to blue so it don't look confusing. So I'm just gonna be a quick video, not much. So why I mark this place as blue is because of this double touch right here, and this has already sat as our liquidity. So basically we should expect price to come and sweep this place, this liquidity right here, this particular place right here. So we should expect price to come and sweep here. So as you can see, price basically came to sweep here, though I did my first mistake. I entered from this zone and it came again to take me out. I think I entered from this zone and it took me out. Let me see here. As you can see, I entered from that zone and it took me out. So then again it swept the liquidity, this main liquidity, of which I was expecting, because I was literally waiting for two things to happen: a break of structure right here, or this liquidity sweep. so let's just dive into the company, since we needed in an order block to make it 60% or 70% win order block. So as you can see, we have so I should be taking these two off right now, these two off. Yeah, so we have this liquidity sweep right here, or I can as well clean the chart, then I will show you from the tip of how I took the trade. So this is the raw trade. This is where let's just think, okay, let's do something like this. Yeah, let's do something like this. So this is what I saw. This is the raw chart I saw. This is the raw chart I saw. This was the raw chart. So what I did was, I know as long as I see this order block right here, this imbalance, I know this is gonna be a good chart. So I'm just trying to draw my confidence, like this. Let's make this a rough chart. You get? So I'm trying to draw my confidences here, so you will see why I took this trade. So right here I did something like this. something like this. I mark here as a liquidity because we have a touch here, so probably we'll be expecting price to take this place off, this and zone off. So we have a mini liquidity sweep right here, a mini liquidity sweep, though it's not the liquidity sweep I expected, but it was a small liquidity sweep right here. Now we have what I said we should look for in a chart is this breakout structure. This breakout structure, sorry for my throat. And sometimes I always wait for this MMS before a breakout structure. The market should also shift before a breakout structure right here, MMS. So we have this this beautiful imbalance, or what we call FVG, right here. So we're just gonna mark it out. This order block right here, this is what I'm going to be marking out. Alright, so which other confluences I needed? So I always need liquidity. As you can see, everything right here is liquidity. You can see price going up, price going down. So I marked here as my liquidity. So this is what I did. In the chart. So I'm going to be marking this place as liquidity. So this is what I did in the chart, and I expected price. Let's just make. I expected price. The first thing I expected was price to come like this, give us a liquidity sweep, a breakout structure, then boom. If you watched my previous video, you will see I did something like this. This is what I was expecting, and I was also expecting price. To come like this, take this liquidity out, this liquidity down here, these two double bottom, take it out, give us a breakout structure, then boom. So if you notice, both of them played out. And the first one tricked me in, then went down again to take my stop loss. Then the second one swept this liquidity and gave us a breakout structure, then we entered. So I'm just gonna be playing the video again so you see what actually happened. So as you can see, price was coming down, one entered inside the other block. Here we have, this is where my first entry happened, and this way it just happened. Then I think here I did something like this. So this is where I entered. Then you see price came again to sweep the liquidity, then boom, gave us a breakout structure right here, and I entered from here. Then I targeted, let's pause it first. I entered from here, then I targeted this next high. I think I entered from here and I targeted this high right here, about 100 pips, and my stop loss right here. The stop loss was very little, 24 pips, so I was kind of okay with that. So this is where I entered, and as you can see, I'm just replaying the video. As you can see, price was kind of making lapses, ranging, stuff like that. Like, I just kept calm, just kept cool. As you can see, you see how the trade is playing out. Don't mind all these things. Sometimes this range stuff happens all the time in the market that will make you like lose your hope and trust in the market. Then at the end, things moves, and you can see even TP hits. You see, this is just one of the best strategy in this world, like, which will give you 60 to 70% win rate. These confluences you needed. So this was the beautiful trade I took. So I don't want this video to be too long. If it's too long, a lot of people don't like watching. So I'm just gonna end it here. So what I just needed to do is just to subscribe, comment, and like all my videos that I post, so you can as well see a lot of videos I make during the weeks and during the weekend of the trade I took, and focus for the trade I'm hoping to take for the week. So stay tuned, stick to my YouTube channel, always watch my videos. If you see something you're lacking or something you feel you don't know, you can as well write me or message me or make it in the comment section. I can make videos constantly.